Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove all website data in Safari on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. In here, you want to tap on Settings icon on the home screen. So on the home screen, tap on Settings icon, and in here, you want to go down and tap on Safari. Next, you go down and tap on Advanced, then tap on Website Data. Next, you go down to the bottom and tap on Remove All Website Data. Next, it says this will clear data that could be used for tracking, but is also used by websites to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. If you are sure, tap on the Remove Now button. And that's it, all data will now be removed from your device. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.